605, we're going to transition east of the 605 for those kilometers.
Nice 28. Can you do me a favor? We had an aircraft just go down just south of your position. They said they were going to try to land in that river area.
Yeah, 928, looking for it.
928, about a mile to a mile and a half south of you.
Mile and a half south of me, roger. Looking.
Robin 216 Mike Sierra, Long Beach Tower, can you hear me? Knife 28, they said they were going to try to make, do you see like a riverbed there?
Yeah, I think we just saw them. Stand by.
Okay.
And Tower, this is guard 20928. We are over top of the aircraft down in the canal right now. It's got red and white striped wings.
Guard 20928, yeah, that's affirmative. They're based here. They were just inbound for 26 right, and they said they had an engine trouble.
Roger that. We're going to descend and see if there's any problems. There was no smoke or anything like that, so it didn't look like there was any fire or anything.
Guard 20928, yeah, thanks. It did sound like they were reaching out to me even after they went down, so I'm hoping that they just can't hear me.
And do we have a call sign, see if we can relay for you?
Yes, Robin 216 Mike Sierra. They're actually on the telephone with us right now, so you could give it a shot.
And that was Robin 2106?
216 Mike Sierra.
216 Mike Sierra, roger. Robin 216 Mike Sierra, this is guard copter 20928, how copy? Tower, this is guard copter 20928.
Guard 20928, go ahead.
Roger that. We're over top of the PL site right now, and it looks like there's no after action, no secondary problems. If you've got radio or phone conference, then we're going to continue on home.
Guard 20928, yeah, they just got off the phone with them, so appreciate all your help, and you can continue.
Roger that. Thanks for your help, brother. We'll see you another night. Hey, Long Beach Tower, this is guard 20928. We're going to be frequency changes this time for low south. Thanks for everything.
Guard 20928 again, thanks for your help and frequency change approval to you.
Helicopter 285, request Alpha down to arrival landing Ross.
What was the call sign?
That's Niner 285, we're over the Queen Mary.
Helicopter 9285, Long Beach Tower, Redondo's approved, landing Ross, good turn risk.
Landing Ross, I'm on risk 285.